High up in the sky, far beyond the clouds, there lived hundreds of little stars. Every night, it was their job to shine bright and light up the world. But one little star, his name was Finn, never wanted to sleep when morning came. "Why?" Lily whispered. "Because he was afraid he would miss something exciting." So every morning, when all the other stars closed their eyes to rest, Finn kept his open. Noah pulled his blanket up a little. What happened to him? Well, after many days without sleep, something strange happened. Finn started to flicker. His light grew dim. The other stars noticed and said, "Finn, you must rest. A star that doesn't sleep cannot shine its brightest." So one night, Finn finally listened. He closed his eyes, and the moment he did, the most beautiful thing happened. He floated into a dream where he was the brightest star in the whole sky, brighter than all the others. Everyone on Earth looked up and pointed at him. Lily's eyelids were getting heavy. And when Finn woke up the next evening, he shone so brightly that people made wishes on him, all because he finally rested. Noah's breathing had slowed. Lily's eyes were barely open. "Just like Finn," Maya whispered. "The more you rest tonight, the brighter you'll shine tomorrow." She kissed them both gently on their foreheads, turned off the lamp, and quietly slipped out of the room. Both children were fast asleep.